RedMagic unveiled the 11 Air in China on January 20th and confirmed that its international launch date is today. Right on time, the brand has now revealed pricing and availability for global markets. Thus, here are the exact amounts you'll need to pay, depending on where you are and which version of the phone you want to get. There will be early bird vouchers up for grabs for $1, pound, or euro from February 5th to February 10th, which will lower these prices by $30, pounds, or euros and give you a complimentary gift. On February 10th, those who got one of these vouchers will be able to purchase the phone already. The first open sale is scheduled for February 11th at 8 p.m. Hong Kong time, which is 7 a.m. EST and 1300 CET. The RedMagic 11 Air comes with a 6.85-inch 1216 by 2688 AMOLED screen with 144 Hz refresh rate, 2592 Hz PWM, and 1800 nit peak brightness. The Snapdragon 8 Elite SoC, a 50-megapixel main camera with OIS, an 8-megapixel ultrawide, a 16-megapixel selfie camera, and a 7,000 mAh battery with 80-watt wired charging support. It runs Android 16 with RedMagic OS 11 on top, measures 163.8 by 76.5 by 8 millimeters, and weighs 207 grams.